So I needed to make some chip clip decals for a coworker's son's graduation party, and that's when I realized there are literally no tutorials on how to do this. So here's a quick rundown on how I made them. So first I mocked up a few versions, maybe 5 or 6 different designs, and this is the one that he chose. In Cricut Design Space, I duplicated the design until I had a full 12 by 12 sheet. And I made sure to leave enough room between each design for cutting and weeding. By the way, I used white permanent premium vinyl for this job. Once cut, I did some weeding, and more weeding, and more weeding, and I applied transfer paper to the front and squeegeed it with my scraper thingy. Then I pulled the transfer paper sheet and the decal from the backing and applied it to the chip clip surface. Squeegeed it again, like so. I also applied Mod Podge to some, but it didn't seem to matter. The decals were fine without it. And that's that. That's how you make chip clip decals.